Okay, this is a tutorial on how to download Cain and Abel to use network sniffing in order to sniff out everything that under your network, anybody who's doing this. So I'll show you how to do it. So you go to this site, Oxidit, www.oxid.it/cain.html. You're going to come down here and download this one. Regardless, if you have Vista or XP, which is probably going to be most common, just download this. You save it, and I already saved it into my downloads right here. I'm just gonna open this. Yes, allow. Alright, so we're gonna get this setup wizard here. So next, you install it. So everything should be pretty self-explanatory. You should be able to figure it out. But this tutorial, I'm really gonna mainly just show you guys how to use Cain, because it could be quite confusing at first, but it's easy. Always allow. And by the way, your security systems, if you have it, like McAfee or Norton, they're not going to like this program. Alright, so this is the interface we have right here. This is Cain. So what's pretty cool is that if you click on wireless passwords, you can press this, and what happens, it'll give a list of all the routers that you can search out and the password with it. And Internet 7 passwords, you dump this, it'll give you all the passwords that were used on Internet 7 that was remembered. Windows Mail, like if you use Inbox, like down here, it will show you the username and passwords. So, what will happen is, let me see here. Yes, yeah, here we go. You go down to Sniffer, and let's just remove all this so I can show you. Remove all this. Okay. So this is what's going to happen for Sniffer. This is how you want to do this. First and foremost, you want to go, if you want to get this to work, you go to here, configure. You're going to get this. So you're going to have these adapters here. You might have different ones, and you have to pick the right adapter if you're going to work. So what I did is you try all of them. So if you're going to try this one, and I want to, right here, you want to add the MAC address, you want to add the scan for MAC addresses. I'm just going to click this. Sorry, shoot. So before you do anything, you just want to click this button right here, and then do it. Alright, so you just do all hosts in my subnet. That's what I do. Okay, so it's not finding anything, right? So configure, and try a different one. I know this is the one I use, so there you go. Now you do this. And scanning. There we go. So these are the 3 computers I have, and let me tell you, this is my router. This is my brother's computer, and this is my dad's computer. So to resolve a host name, like the computer name they have, you just like right-click this one and say resolve host name. And just wait a little bit. Take a while. Sometimes it won't resolve it. So there you go. This is the host name. So you got this. This is good. So you're going to go down here to APRs, this little tab. Click here. Now you're ready to start entering the stuff. So right here, click add to list. Now what you want to do is just click on your router here. So your router, you'll know which one's your router, I hope. And then you highlight all this, and then there you go. So just read this over here. It's going to hijack everything from this one to all these. There we go. See, now we got two. Now it's when it's ready. We got it covering from here to there and from here to here. So now there's just one last step, and all you got to do is click this little button here. Bam, poison. So there you have it. Now from then on, any activity going on between these computers will show up here. It will tell you how it's routing it, and then the interesting stuff is over here. So if you're doing that, you come down here to where it says passwords, click here, and go to where it says HTTP right here. Click here. Now what happens is I can't show you right now because no one's doing anything on the computer. Everything here, every website they visit, it will give a timestamp, the website they're going to, and if they use like a Gmail account or anything, they'll show the username and password. Sorry about that. They show the URL right here. That's where everything, all the stuff is. And what it shows is the client. It'll show you who it came from. So if it came from 197, and that's my brother, it will show it like what website they did. So that's really interesting and cool. You can go to IMAP here, and then all this stuff. It's really neat. This is like IMAP is the email, and POP3 like the inbox stuff. And then what's really interesting is this VoIP. I still don't, voice over IP. I don't know how to use it, but what it's said to do if they communicate, the sniffer would try to record everything that they say over, but I don't know how to work that out yet. So that's pretty much it. Get on APR. See, I'm already getting some stuff, but nothing's really happening. You want to make sure that, let me just tell you that the sniffer will slow down the internet, so you want to make sure you only use it when you need to use it. That's pretty much it, and you can press Alt page down to hide it to the system tray, as you can see here, and click it back to get it back. That's pretty much it. If you need any help or anything, just give me a PM and try to get back to you as soon as I can. Alright?